Hey there, digital creators. If you're looking to make some extra cash and flex your creative muscles, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to create and sell digital planners on Etsy. Let's dive in. First things first. Why digital planners? They're super popular right now. People love staying organized, and digital planners are eco-friendly, customizable, and perfect for our tech-savvy world. Plus, selling them on Etsy means you can reach a global audience with ease. Alright, let's get started with the creation process. You don't need to be a design guru to make stunning digital planners. Here are the basics. First, choose your software. You can use tools like Adobe InDesign, Canva, or even PowerPoint. Personally, I love Canva because it's user-friendly and packed with templates. Second, research and plan. Check out what's trending on Etsy. Look at popular planners and see what features they offer. Weekly layouts, habit trackers, goal-setting pages. The options are endless. Make a list of what you want in your planner. Third, design your template. Start with a blank canvas and add elements like calendars, to-do lists, and notes sections. Keep your design clean and functional. Remember, simplicity is key. Fourth, add some flair. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Use colors, fonts, and graphics that match your brand, but don't go overboard. You want your planner to be practical too. Once you've got your design ready, it's time to export. Save your planner as a PDF. Make sure it's high quality so your customers get the best experience. Next up, let's talk about listing your planner on Etsy. 1. Create a catchy title. Use keywords that people are searching for. For example, 2025 Digital Planner for iPad or Ultimate Productivity Planner. 2. Write a compelling description. Highlight the features of your planner. Explain how it can make someone's life easier or more organized. Be clear, concise, and persuasive. 3. Add eye-catching photos and videos. People want to see what they're buying. Use mock-ups and screen recordings to show off your planner in action. Good visuals can make all the difference. Finally, let's talk about promoting your digital planner. Share it on your social media channels, join Etsy teams, and consider running ads. The more eyes on your product, the better. And there you have it. A simple guide to creating and selling digital planners on Etsy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Let's make 2025 your most productive and profitable year yet. Thanks for watching.